Hello student, good afternoon everyone. Welcome to e-tutorial of Vinay Public School, Khajurahat, Ayodhya. My name is Priya Singh and today I will be teaching you class 6 science. The title of this chapter is Growing New Plants. In this chapter, we discuss what is seed dispersal. Let's start. The process of scattering of seeds away from the parent plant is called seed dispersal. Dispersal of seeds occur in various ways. They may be carried to far off places through wind, water, insects and animals. Fruits of some plants burst open to expel seed explosively. These are called agents of dispersal. Dispersal of seeds through winds, through animals, through explosion of some fruits, through water. Next point is dispersal of seeds through wind. Seeds that are small and light are generally dispersed by the wind. Seeds of cotton and dahlia have hair around them. These hairs help in carrying the seeds by the wind. Seeds of some plants such as drumstick and maple have a wing-like structure that help in seed dispersal by wind.